como los aeroplanes, the aeroplanes have wings.
Planes.
The aeroplanes have wings.
No, aeroplanes. Wings.
¿Cómo son alas? Wings, exacto, perfecto, muy bien. ¿Cómo sería la cola?
Tail.
Muy bien. It begins with T, tail, okay? Perfect. Right, let's see. ¿Cómo sería el culete?
Cool.
Bowl.
Ay,
Bottom. Okay, vale. Muy bien. Pues you know now the parts of the body of the owl, right? And the tail today is called the brave little owl, right? Como habéis dicho, el valiente
pequeño búho.
Muy bien, perfecto. So, we have little owl here in his nest. And he's popping his eyes outside the nest.
Y con sus ojos grandes.
Very good, right? Little owl moves his feathers.
¿Abre las alas?
Yes, the feathers. Las alas, bueno, las plumas, ¿vale? He moves his feathers because he's frightened.
Pero
He's frightened.
Pero es difícil.
He's afraid. Tiene
Pero tiene
miedo.
frío.
Yes, he's a little bit cold and he's frightened. Afraid. Está asustado. Right? Why? Because of the dark outside. Because of the dark outside. The dark, it's night time.
La noche.
Everything is dark. Todo está oscuro. So, very good. He's afraid of the dark. Right? Okay. And then the animals in the forest. Now I'm going to name the animals in the forest. We have rabbits. We have squirrels. And we have all of the animals in the forest laugh at the little owl. Todos se ríen del pequeño búho. Why? They all laugh because little owl is afraid of the dark. ¿Vale? Y como sabéis, a los búhos les gusta hacer cosas por la noche, ¿no? Son muy activos. But this little owl is very frightened. Okay? And the deer, oh sorry, we have here before mother owl, father owl, and baby owl, right? Father owl says, be brave, little owl, be brave. The meaning is, sé valiente. Sé valiente, pequeño búho, okay? Mother owl says, be brave, little owl. Yeah, be brave. Yes. And that's why I tell you, be brave, children. Sed valientes. Okay? Be brave. Right. But still little owl is very afraid. Right? Okay? He shuts his eyes, cierra los ojos, because of the dark. Okay? And the deer, los ciervos, the deer, laugh at him. Very good. Perfect. And here we have, how many owls?
Extiende sus alas.
Not yet. How many owls do we have here?
Hay más búhos y no las alas.
How many? ¿Cuántos?
Cuatro.
1,
Cinco.
2,
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, and 5. Okay. And the animals in the forest, look at them.
Les mira.
Les mira. ¿Cómo era conejo?
Rabbit.
Fox.
¿Y eso qué es?
Y ardilla.
El rock o algo así. Robin. Es una.
Squirrel. Muy bien. Perfecto. Yes. Okay. Little owl
el pequeño búho se siente solo.
Yeah, he's a little bit alone, but,
cierra los ojos.
but suddenly he listens to a little
Escucha
bird.
un pequeño pájaro.
Yes, he listens to a little bird singing.
Cantar. Silbar.
Very
Y
good.
cierra los ojos. He closes his eyes.
And he's very happy. He likes listening to the music.
Escuchando
Una
la
música.
se siente feliz.
Yes, because the music is very beautiful.
Pero esa música le gusta.
Muy bien, muy bien. And he listens to the
El
waterfall
ruido de la
splashing.
El ruido de cuando cae
La
la
cascada.
Very good. And he looks at the stars.
Y mira las
Y
estrellas.
mira
Mhm.
las estrellas.
Right? So he's not so frightened now. He's calmer. Ya no tiene tanto miedo. ¿Eh? And what happens then?
Abre sus alas y empieza a volar.
Yeah, he gets to the end of the branch, and suddenly, he shuts his eyes, and he tumbles down.
Cierra sus ojos y empieza a volar.
Yeah, but he tumbles down, okay, and he starts flying.
Y abre las alas para volar.
Yes, and everybody in the forest said, "Be brave, little owl, be brave."
Y le dicen los demás, qué valiente pequeño búho.
Perfect. And he starts flying. And he spreads his wings.
Abre sus alas.
Very good. And he starts flying. Very good. He opens his
Y abre bien los ojos.
big eyes. Very good. Right. And starts flying.
Y abre los ojos.
Yes. And now he's not frightened anymore.
Y los demás animales ya no se ríen.
All the animals don't laugh anymore. Very good. And he flies across the moon,
Y cruza la montaña.
yeah, over the stars
Las estrellas.
and over the fields,
Y los animales.
y los campos. ¿Vale? He flies over the
Las
fields,
cotas de los árboles.
right? He listens to the waterfall.
Y mira
Escucha la cascada.
y pasa la cascada.
Mhm. And he crosses the moon.
Y
cruza la vida.
Very good. And now he's not frightened anymore.
Los demás ya no tienen
no sonríen.
He's brave
y se sienten valientes.
Y se siente fuerte.
and he likes the
He's
dark.
allowed.
The dark.
Y fin.
And that's the end of the tale.